Was it the weekend? Yes. Am I a fine girl? Yes. Do I have friends? Yes. So we went out, not everyday fine dining. We decided to go rough, go outside and go paintballing in the forest. So this is Delta Force in Manchester. Absolutely incredible.
For adults, is £63 and the kiddie recruit package is £45 for you guys. So, I've got to take the mickey. For you guys, so we've got 9 in total, so you've added one on, one's not coming too late. Yeah. Sweet. For you guys, you've got 9 people in total. Like I said, you get the 10% off. For you guys, I just need to write number 24 on your hands if that's okay, and then you can go straight through the kit time. Appreciate you, my love. This is just your free book. It didn't even work, mate. Pissing it down.
Excited.
At least let me fix me hair.
Thank you. So that's me getting ready. You're going to see a few of us, my friends, just playing around. It was an amazing experience. I definitely recommend. And the only thing I'll say about it, it was a bit far away, but definitely worth it. Okay.
Who else is on this team?
I will be there.
Who else is on this team? You man it? 1, 2, 3, 4. We need one more on this team. Yourself, good stuff.
Why you all boys? Why you all ready this? But I'm there though.
It's alright, don't worry. Same for yourself, any medical conditions, mate? Asthma, epilepsy?
Yeah. Why am I blue? I thought we are red.
I bet women cannot be red. They can kill us fish.
No, but underestimate girls. We can just
Don't underestimate my. Una dey shit from my
wait,
video.
let them collect first.
What about they do YouTube?
Wait,
Let's go and wear clothes. But you're giving me blue. That means automatically I'm blue.
That's good.
I'll kill your opponent. Sorry, how many in the group? 5 and 4 originally. 5 and 4. 2 more now. Alright, okay. That makes it sort of even. Okay. So do one on each team and both from the same team.
Where did you come from?
One of your teams are doing it. You 2 point away if you don't. Collect that answer. Where's yours? No.
They give loads of safety instructions just to make sure everyone is safe and no one's hurt.
When you get shot, you have nice and high and shout, hit! If I'm in the middle of the game and I've got an enemy, then put your hand up. Still not put your hand up. When you are not calling your death, you are encouraging overshooting. The marshals will be all over it, but please, if you get shot, you have nice and high and shout, hit! Not as you're going, ow, 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 I get it. They think you're not putting your hands up. Bear with people, but please do not be shooting players with their hands up. They are dead players. Okay. With that, now we have a minimum 3 metre engagement. It's about me to the tree in front of me. About 3 metres, 3 big steps. Quick as you can for us, ladies and gentlemen. It's over. Get your seat going and we'll get the first group.
See me, I was kneeling down.
How did you take it so serious?
I go down.
I didn't run late.
Cut matter them. I don't know. No, they're Exactly, you put it in your video. They're really important. I mean, hey, actually, the use there, it's not even Nigeria! Team Slayer!
I hope you guys enjoy this video and I'll see you next time, okay? Bye.